CompTIA Tech Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 3.1 Identify components of an operating system. File types and extensions. When dealing with files, it is important to know that files come in different types, such as documents, images, videos, and more. Each file type is identified by a unique extension, which is a few characters at the end of the file name. Understanding file types and extensions is crucial because they tell your computer how to interpret and handle the data within the file. So let's dive in and unravel the secrets behind file extensions. File extensions are little tags that convey specific information about a file. For instance, a document might have the doc extension, while an image could have a JPEG or PNG extension. When you double-click on a file, your computer uses the extension to determine which program should be used to open and read the file's contents. It's like telling your computer, hey, this file is a document, so use the word processing software to open it. Extensions make file handling easier for both users and computers, ensuring that the correct software is used to access each file's data. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.